what is the ultimate nature of oneself? What is the ultimate nature of the world? Like, what is reality in the first place? What is the divine or God, Ishvara? What are these relationships between these different entities, if we can call them? But then there's always this tie-in generally that by understanding these deepest realities, metaphysical realities, in that understanding comes an unwavering wholeness, or an untouchable happiness, or a deep abiding peace, shanti, or equanimity.